Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Shirshi Datta. So today I am going to do a easy and affordable makeup look, and all product today I am going to use under 1000. So this makeup look you can carry in any birthday party or any anniversary celebration. And if you want to see how I have created this look, then please continue watch this video till the end. So today I am going to use Wet n Wild Dewy Photo Focus Face Primer. So this is a very good primer. If you are in a budget, then definitely try it out. It will also give that dewy look in your makeup, and it will smooth your skin tone, so your makeup will look flawless whenever you use this primer. And it is also written that it is a lightweight formula and it is a vitamin E infused, and it will smooth your skin tone. If you have an uneven skin tone or if you have a pores in your skin, it will even that, and that's why your makeup will look flawless. So I'm going to use this dewy primer in my face. So I will highly recommend, if you are in winter season, use this dewy primer, and if you are in summer season, you can use matte primer, because in summer we always want a matte look, so at that time you can use a matte primer. And in winter, as our face get dry up, at that time we always want a dewy look, and that we want that glow in our skin. At that time we can use this dewy primer. So I'm using this primer all over in my face, and I will give some time to absorb it in my skin. Always, whenever you use any primer or moisturizer before your makeup, give some time to absorb it in your skin. Once it will be absorbed, then I will use foundation. And now I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and price is mentioned in the below. So Maybelline Fit Me foundation, I am in the shade 230 Natural Buff. So this is really a very good foundation, and it gives a natural finish to your skin. Your face will not look cakey. It gives a medium to high coverage foundation, and if you want a more coverage, you can build it up with a more and it will not look cakey in your face. And it is easily blendable. It's a lightweight. So definitely, if you are a beginner and if you want to invest in a good foundation, definitely try it out. It will blend easily in your skin. So Maybelline have a very good quality foundation in this range. And I'm now going to blend this foundation all over in my face with this beauty blender. You can use your hand also. With your finger you can spread this foundation all over in your face. I have a beauty sponge, so I'm using the damn beauty sponge. This cotton, and I'm going to remove this foundation from my eyebrow area. I don't want any foundation in my eyebrow area. So now I'm going to take Nykaa brow definer in the shade Bewitched Chestnut. So this is a very good brow definer pencil I bought from Nykaa. The shade range is also very good. It will go to Indian skin tone girl. Most of the Indian skin tone girl can use this brow definer. So in the other end it has a spoolie, and on the other hand it has a brow pencil. So this is how the brow pencil look like. It is very sharp and it is well pigmented, so it will help you to draw your brow very easily. So first I am going to use the spoolie. So you don't need to carry separately the spoolie. You will take this brow pencil and you are good to go. So first I am going to brush my brow. And now I am going to use the brow definer pencil. and my brows are done now. Now you can see the difference in my face once brow is done. So you cannot, I have already said in my previous video also, that you cannot skip your brows. You always need to do your brows. If you do not have, then also how you can do your brows, I have also done a previous video on that. I'm going to use Maybelline City Mini palette. Take the peach shade. I'm going to take this peach shade and I'm going to use this shade in the upper lid of my eyes. Now I'm going to take this blush, Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade Rose 30, and I'm going to darken my eyeshadow a little bit. I'm taking the peach shade and I'm going to darken my eyeshadow a little bit. So when it is done, now I'm going to, in this Maybelline City Mini palette, I'm going to take this shimmer shade and I'm going to use in the center of my lid. And I'm dabbing in the center. So once it is done, now I'm going to use the same color, peach color, and I'm going to use in the lower part of my eye. I'm going to use kajal. I'm using Lakme Iconic dark brown kajal. Now I'm going to use in the lower lid of my eyes also. So here I'm going to use eyelash curler to curl my lashes. So I will always say that use any eyelash curler because it will help you to curl your lashes and it will look good. Your eye will get open up. I'm going to use Maybelline Hyper Curl waterproof mascara. So today I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me concealer. So here I'm in the shade 30 Honey. So this is also a very good concealer. It blends easily and it will not look like a cakey. So I am using this concealer. I'm using it in the forehead, in the upper part of my nose, here, and also in the smiling area. And now I'm going to blend it with the beauty blender. So it blends very easily, and it also highlighted my under eye area. Now I'm going to use this shimmery shade in the corner of my eyes. So now I'm going to use Sugar Contour Palette. So if you're in my shade, then you can use 01 Subtle Submit. So this is such a good palette. There is all contour, highlighter and a blush. And whenever you are going out in a travel kit, you can just take this palette and you are done. You don't need to take separately blush and highlighter. So whenever I travel, I used to take this palette, and it helps me a lot. So, and it is well pigmented also. So you can also use any this type of palette which contain blush and highlighter. And if you're in a deeper shade, then you can use a Vivid Victory. I'm going to contour my nose area. And now I'm going to use blush. So today I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade Rose. And now I'm going to use a highlighter. This highlighter is also a very good highlighter. And now I'm going to use this highlighter in the center of my nose and in my upper lip. And in my chin. So today I'm going to use Maybelline Powder Matte Lipstick, and in the shade East Village Rose. So this Maybelline Powder Matte Lipstick, they are also very good lipstick. It gives a mattify finish. So this is my final look. Hope this video will be helpful for you, and if you like this video, then hit the like button, and if you want to see more video like this, please mention in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, because I am going to make more video in future. Until then, take care, bye bye, see you in my next video.